Hi, thought I'd do a quick video on this mower. The make of this mower is Chinese and the engine is Chinese as well, so that's the number 2017. It doesn't say what make it is, it does it by numbers instead. So the recoil spring went on this one, and the pull cord. How you start it up is 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and I will start it now for you. How it goes, you pull the lever in, which is quite stiff on this one. Well, that's going to be awkward. Do this and the phone at the same time. Let's start it. That's great, wasn't it? More prime. 3 times more in here. Boy, that's very stiff. Underneath we like is in it now, so underneath that's what it looks like. Got a blade, got a belt cover, and you've got a belt and for the spring as well. There we are. It's like a toy, very flimsy as well. Here